Good motorcycle morning. I am in Laredo, Texas. Headed to the border tomorrow. Today we got to do stuff like wash clothes and get some pesos and all that kind of stuff. Got maps going. Take us to a laundromat. Start some clothes. Get some breakfast. Step 1. Step 2. Money. Step 3. Light my load, but we'll do all that tomorrow. Alright, let's go wash some clothes. Well, that's Lake Casablanca right there. Over there. Can you all see that? Beautiful. You can't take a left on the Bog Bullock Loop. Man, they're going fast. No U-turns. Oh, there's an airport right there. Huh. I'll go down there and take a U-turn. Man, they're going fast. Guess we can go to the airport. I really just need to turn around. Like this.
Moments later.
Okay, go do some laundry.
1 hour later.
Alright, got the clothes done. Now I'll go get some money, some food, some pesos, all that jazz. Wearing my summer gloves now. Just washed the other gloves, they turned out pretty good. I discovered an exhaust leak here on Shady. We'll fix that when we get back to the spot. So take Shady to a car wash. Be a good idea. Dun, 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 dun. There's a car wash. What are the odds? Let's do that.
Special, just quick rinse. Down low rinse.
Yeah, that's all she needs. Just a little rinse. Find somewhere to eat. That would be awesome. This is from Mexico. Tamaulipas. My gloves. Did I just lose my gloves? Man. I don't know what to do with them gloves, but I just lost them. Oh well. I got another pair. Here's the bank. Super busy bank. Go over here to the Cajero Automático and figure out how much money I got. Okay, we got the money. Got clothes washed. Food. Let's go back to that Pizza Hut. That looks like a grocery store. Is this a one-way road? I believe so. Pizza Hut it. I don't think I'll do Whataburger for dinner. A lot of traffic. DQ, oh my goodness, there's so many good things I want to eat before I leave. And DQ dip cone, and pizza, and Popeye, and oh my goodness. All you can do is let me out into the lane, and then I can Good Lord. Thought the bike was gonna fall over.
Moments later.
Pizza Hut dares anyone to find a better pizza. Oh, really?
I'm sorry, French. Yeah, thank you.
Washed the food, got the money, got the clothes. Now I gotta go get some pesos. Need to turn around. I'm going all the wrong ways. AstroTurf. I was like, man, that's green. It's AstroTurf.
Moments later.
Okay. Did the laundry. Got the money. Got some food. Got the pesos. Now I need to go back to the camp. Get on the laptop. Get some last minute work done. Let's do that. Actually, grocery store. I need to find Ziploc bags, give me something to drink, get some tape. And again, there's Target. You can always go into a Target. Yes. Okay, let's go to Target and get what we need. Drinks, Ziploc bags, tape.
Later that same evening.
Okay, I'm at the Lamar Bruni Vergara South Texas Food Bank. Just donated all that canned and dry food I had, so I don't have to carry it out anymore. Ooh. Now, gas and dinner. How ironic is that? I just gave away food, and we'll go get dinner. Gas and dinner, and back to the camp. Wake up tomorrow and go to Mexico. Irony is, I gotta pull out my stupid debit card because I locked it up to go to Mexico and now I need it. Stupid, stupid me. Alright. Debit card's back out. Wasn't quite finished with them yet. Okay, now, gas and food and stuff. Now it's possible. I mean, it was possible before, but I don't want to use up all my cash. Cash is king in Mexico. This is some Breaking Bad side of town over here. Ooh. Okay, let's get some gas real quick. Before Shady runs out of gas. It's hard to get anywhere in this town. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Right now, let me tell you. Look, that's Mexico down there. Huh.
Later.
There are hamburgers, and then there are hamburgers. Like the kind you get at Whataburger.
Okay, so just got the food, Whataburger, super full, got a really big drink though, that's cool. Now it's time to head back to the camp, batten down the hatches for tonight. Okay, back at the camp. Last night in the USA. Hoorah. Kind of nervous, but hoorah. Okay, bye-bye.